This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting immediate playable tone. Tune to drop D or drop C and plug into a high-gain amp or plugin so you hear the frequencies you'll shape. Once done, set amp EQ, cut mids a bit, boost lows and treble, and pick a thick one. 0 to 2. 0 mm pick. Make sure action and intonation are usable. Palm mute near the bridge to learn the percussive, chunky chug. Now play a simple power chord riff to test feel and gain for sustain and attack. Next, focus on technique and precise tone control. Practice alternating palm muting with open chugs, using eighth note downstrokes and deliberate syncopated rests so your rhythm breathes. Once comfortable, drill gallops and triplet patterns, play them slowly, then speed up with a metronome, making sure your palm placement and pick attack remain consistent. Make sure to sculpt tone as you play. Add a gentle low-pass filter for clarity, boost presence for cut, and engage a noise gate. Finish by adding lead work and layers. Solo with minor pentatonic or harmonic minor shapes, target pinch harmonics by lifting the pick slightly and striking near the bridge, and tastefully double rhythm tracks with tighter EQ for focus. Once done, add an octave or pad under the rhythm to give depth without muddying the low end. If something goes wrong, excess noise, or flabby tone, check grounding, shield cavities, swap cables, adjust gain staging and pickup height. These fixes cure most common tone problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.